Aldous Huxley, 1894 to 1963. English novelist and critic. Besides novels, he published travel books, histories, poems, plays, and essays on philosophy, arts, sociology, religion, and morals. Huxley was born in Godalming, finest countryside in southern England in the county of Surrey, on July 26, 1894, into a well-to-do upper-middle-class family. He was best known for his dystopian novel Brave New World, which was published in the year 1931. Yes, Huxley. He was an English novelist, critic. നോവൽസ് കൂടാതെ അദ്ദേഹം ട്രാവൽ ബുക്സ്, ഹിസ്റ്ററീസ്, കവിതകൾ, പ്ലേസ്, നാടകങ്ങൾ, എസ്സേകൾ പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എസ്സേ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ കൂടുതലും ഫിലോസഫി, ആർട്സ്, സോഷ്യോളജി, റിലീജിയൻ ആൻഡ് മോറൽസ് തുടങ്ങിയ വിഷയങ്ങളായിരുന്നു എസ്സേകളിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. ഹി റോട്ട് ബ്രേവ് ന്യൂ വേൾഡ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ദി വാർസ്. British society was officially at peace, but the social effects of the Great War were becoming apparent. Huxley and his contemporaries wrote about changes in national feeling, questioning of long-held social and moral assumptions, and the move toward more equality among the classes and between the sexes. Huxley, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കണ്ടംപററീസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള റൈറ്റേഴ്സും കൂടുതലും വിഷയമാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത് ഈ ഒരു ഗ്രേറ്റ് വാറിന്റെ എഫക്ട്സ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്നും എന്തൊക്കെ ചേഞ്ച് ആൻഡ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമേഷൻ ആണ് പർട്ടിക്കുലർ സൊസൈറ്റിയിൽ സംഭവിക്കുന്നതെന്നുമായിരുന്നു. ദി ചേഞ്ചസ് ഇൻ നാഷണൽ ഫീലിംഗ്, ക്വസ്റ്റനിങ് ഓഫ് ലോങ് ഹെൽഡ് സോഷ്യൽ ആൻഡ് മോറൽ അസംഷൻസ്, മൂവ് ടുവാർഡ് മോർ ഇക്വാലിറ്റി എമംഗ് ദി ക്ലാസസ് ആൻഡ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ദി സെക്സസ്. ലണ്ടൻ, nearly 600 years in the future after Ford. Human life has been almost entirely industrialized. Human life almost entirely industrialized. It was controlled by few people at the top of a world state. It was controlled by a few people. Few people എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ അവിടുത്തെ റിച്ച് ക്ലാസ്സസ് ആയിരിക്കും. Henry Ford was an American industrialist, founder of Ford Motor Company and developer of the assembly line technique of mass production. He is credited with Fordism, that is mass production in inexpensive goods coupled with high wages for workers. Ford had a global vision with consumerism at the key of as the key to peace. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. It was the word of Henry Ford. When Huxley was 14, his mother died. At the age of 16, Huxley suffered an attack on keratitis punctata and became, for a period of about 18 months, totally blind. For a period of 18 months, he was totally blind. Huxley's style, a combination of brilliant dialogue, cynicism, and social criticism, made him one of the most fashionable literary figures of the decade. In the 1930s, he moved to Sanary near Toulon, where he wrote Brave New World. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട വർക്കാണ് ബ്രേവ് ന്യൂ വേൾഡ് എന്നുള്ളത്. A dark vision of a highly technological society of the future. A dark vision of a highly technological society of the future. In the 1930s, Huxley was deeply concerned with the Peace Pledge Union. In 1954, Huxley published an influential study of consciousness expansion through mescaline, the doors of perception, and became later a guru among Californian hippies. He also started to use LSD and showed interest in Hindu philosophy. In 1961, Huxley suffered a severe loss when his house and his papers were totally destroyed in a bushfire. എന്താ സംഭവിച്ചത്? 1961 അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ വീടും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ പേപ്പേഴ്സും മൊത്തം കത്തി നശിച്ചു. Destroyed in a bushfire. Huxley died in Los Angeles on November 22nd, 1963. Utopia, from the great words for no place and good place. Most popular writers of utopian fiction. Was H.G. Wells, author of The Time Machine, The War of the Worlds, A Modern Utopia. The first scene offering a tour of a lab where humans beings are created and conditioned according to the society's strict caste system, establishes the antiseptic tone and the theme of dehumanized life. We already talked about his biography. അദ്ദേഹം 18 മാസത്തോളം സഫറിങ്, ടെമ്പററി ബ്ലൈൻഡ്നെസ്, അല്ലേ, അത് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു. ഹക്സ്ലി വാസ് ഏബിൾ ടു ഏൺ ഹിസ് BA in English from Balliol College, Oxford. He publishing a dozen books through the 1920s. He quickly became an influential literary figure in Britain. Brave New World, which was a fictional book about futuristic society. Brave New World Revisited was written to show Huxley's opinion on the masterwork Brave New World and reflect on the fact that his assumptions of the future were coming due to Hitler's rage. Island is a return to the utopia first visited in the novel Brave New World, but not the same futuristic land. Instead, it is a fabled island called Pala that explores what it would be like from an outsider's point of view coming into such a content land. Reputation. Huxley was born into a prestigious family. His grandfather Thomas Henry Huxley, whom was an advocate of Charles Darwin's book The Origin of Species, and much of prestige came from strong debates against religious forms of evolution. Huxley was first seen as a literary figure in London when he wrote Chrome Yellow. In 1937, he moved to California, where he took LSD and mescaline. In 1954, Huxley wrote The Doors of Perception, which made him a guru to the Californian hippies of the time. Already discussed ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യമാണ്. Contributions. Aldous Huxley is a critic. He wrote about how society was wrong and brought about new ways of thinking of ourselves not as a human but as a human spirit. There is only one corner of the universe you can be certain of improving, and that's your own self. It was the word of Huxley. During the 1930s, all eyes were on Germany, where Hitler was taking over the government. അല്ലെ, ജർമ്മനിയുടെ ഒരു ഗ്രോത്ത് കാണുന്ന നമ്മുടെ ഹിറ്റ്ലറിന്റെ ഭരണകാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ജർമ്മനി മറ്റ് ലോകരാജ്യങ്ങൾക്ക് ഭീഷണിയാവുന്ന തരത്തിൽ വളർന്നു വരികയായിരുന്നു. Huxley wanted to show people that your body may be constricted and warped, but your spirit cannot be harmed if you do not allow it. Brave New World Inside. It was published in 1932, 1 year before Hitler rose to power with his fascist government. The reason this is relevant is because Hitler's Third Reich was a state-controlled government where religion, wage, occupation, possessions, etc. were all controlled by the government. In Huxley's Brave New World, the society is run by the government much like Hitler wanted. But it is to the extent even reproduction is selective and controlled. And the Brave New World, Huxley ഇമാജിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വേൾഡ് പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് അതിനുശേഷം വരുന്ന ഹിറ്റ്ലറിന്റെ ജർമ്മനി. Social relevance. Huxley encouraged a new way of thinking by writing about society's wrongs through the mid-1900s, using sharp dialogue and social criticism. He made people aware that pushing a society and individuals to become fully controlled and polluted by external influences would create a dystopia. Huxley was categorized as a literary genius in the early 1920s and continued to produce essays, poems, and novels until his death in 1963. This is all about Huxley.